In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix Wi-Fi icon not showing in your Windows 11 taskbar. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to proceed here at the start, make a right click, then you need to scroll up and click on Task Manager. You can also press Ctrl Shift and Escape key together. The escape key is being shortened, which is ESC, and in that way you'd be able to bring or open this Task Manager. So here at the Task Manager, please proceed first in this left side and locate for processes. And under the processes, you need to look for your Windows Explorer. So your Windows Explorer might be running here under the apps or it might be running under the Windows processes. So please scroll down and locate for it. The moment you have find it, you need to select it, and while selecting it, make a right click and click on restart. You may wonder why we need to restart the Windows Explorer. We need to restart the Windows Explorer because the moment you've restarted it, your taskbar will be restarted as well. So in that way, you'll be able to refresh the taskbar and you would be able to fix the problem, which is your Wi-Fi icon is not showing in your taskbar. Okay? So before we proceed to the second solution, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would really appreciate your support. So the second solution that you can do is that press Windows key and R key together, and in that way you'd be able to open a small window called Run. Here, please type for gpedit.msc and click on the OK button here to continue. Now here at the local group policy editor, you need to adjust the size of the first column so that we can focus or we can see the name of that clearly. So please proceed with user configuration. And under it, you would be able to see or open a file folder named administrative templates. Now here at the administrative templates, you need to wait until a new file folder or a subfolder under it would be showing. Once it's here, click on this forward arrow key and choose for Start Menu and Taskbar. Once you've opened it, click on this forward arrow key. Okay. And then here at the Start menu on Taskbar, you need to navigate on the side. Okay. Please adjust the size of this window first and locate for the option here or the setting here, which is Remove Network Icon. So all you need to do is you need to scroll down here and locate for it. Again, it is Remove Network Icon. Okay, so once you have seen it, you need to make a right click and then go with Edit, and then you need to proceed to this new window where you can adjust the setting for it. Please disable that because one of the factor why you face an error is that you have enabled that. Okay, so it's very important to go with disabled, click on apply and then okay, and then restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, you will be able to fix the problem. Okay, so those are the steps on how to fix the problem. If those steps that help you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.